Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where keyboard data lives. Tap General, then Keyboard. This opens the specific controls you need. Once here, make sure your device is backed up in case you want to restore a word later. If you use third-party keyboards, disable them for this session so you only change Apple's stored suggestions. Now you're ready to remove learned words and reset core typing history. Proceed to the precise erase commands next. You'll remove learned text by using Reset. Go back to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset iPhone right arrow Reset, then choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. When prompted, enter your passcode to confirm. This prevents accidental wipes. This action clears words iOS learned from your typing history, which improves unwanted autocorrect suggestions. Once done, make sure to test typing in messages. You'll notice finish by clearing text replacements. Open Keyboard right arrow text replacement and swipe left to delete any shortcut you no longer want. Then restart your iPhone to ensure cache is clear. That often resolves lingering suggestions. If problems persist, check iCloud Sync. Disable Keyboard Sync briefly to prevent restored entries, then re-enable it when clean. Finally, add back any useful shortcuts manually. This keeps helpful expansions, while you prevent unwanted learned entries from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.